Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter which we have left and we have started before that Uncle Ken on the job. That is fourth chapter that we have done. And before there is chapter Daddy fell into the pond. Like I said, after completing, that means after get complete this chapter 4, then only we will do Daddy fell into the pond, which is your poem. And now today we are going to start this poem. And for this, get ready with your books. Okay, before to start Daddy fell into the pond poem, I want to tell you about the writer who wrote this poem, and the writer is Alfred Noyes. He was born 16 September 1880 and departed from earth to heaven on 25 June 1958. And he was an English poet who composed the famous narrative poem The Highwayman and the Barrel Organ. These are the poem that he was narrated during or on those days. He was also a short story writer and playwright. Writes. That means ये छोटे छोटे नाटक भी लिखते थे और शॉर्ट स्टोरी छोटे 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 कहानियाँ भी लिखते थे. एंड ही वॉज अ fabulous writer. Now let us begin this story. In colorful letter, there is something written that have you ever tripped and fallen in public? How did it feel? Read this poem about a father falling into a pond. Here, some certain types of questions is asking here. Have you ever tripped and fallen in public? क्या कभी किसी ट्रिप में आप किसी पब्लिक प्लेस में गिरे हो? Such type of questions is asked in this colorful collective words of here, that above the poem it is written. How did it feel? क्या आपको महसूस हुआ? किस प्रकार का आपको महसूस हुआ जब आप मान लो कि आप पब्लिक प्लेस में, if sometimes it happens on a trip. Read this poem about a father falling into a pond. So such type of incident that occurred here in the poem also. So there is descriptions about the poem, and that's why in this poem the main theme, it is written Daddy fell into the pond. So let's begin this poem. Everybody grumbled, the sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seems to be nothing beyond them. Daddy fell into the pond. So here everybody grumbled. That means here in your book you can see the picture. There are children. Adult persons are there in this picture that it is given in your book. You can see that. So here it is saying that everyone grumbled. The sky was grey and we had nothing to do and nothing to see. यानी कि वो समय on that moment कैसा था बोलने से, the children and all other family members were feeling bored, and as such there was nothing great to be done on that day. That's why all were decimal day. यानी कि वो क्या था बोलने से दिन एकदम ही निराशजनक दिन था. No one was excited. It was a totally boring day. Had nothing to do. कुछ भी नहीं चीज था करने को, है ना. And that's why people were very bored even to talk a single words to others. दूसरे से बात करने के लिए भी उनको मन नहीं कर रहा था. तो डैडी जब इस प्रकार का सिचुएशन when it was happening, no excitement, there was nothing great to be done on that day. So nobody had nothing to do or anything to talk about the day, and the day was just passing by like any other boring day. और वो दिन भी उसी प्रकार से बीत रहा था जिस प्रकार से और समय जो कि बोरिंग समय था उसी प्रकार से ये समय भी बीत रहा था. तो उसी समय क्या हुआ, सडनली समथिंग वाज हैपेंड. डैडी फेल्ट इनटू द पॉन्ड. अचानक डैडी पॉन्ड में गिर जाते हैं. एंड एवरीवन्स फेस ग्रू मेरी एंड ब्राइट. जिस सभी लोगों के डल फेस थे. Even they were at that time, even they were not talking to each other because it was so boring day. तो जब उन लोग ने सुना अचानक कि डैडी फेल इनटू द पॉन्ड, देयर फेस ग्रू मेरी. खुशी से उन लोग का फेस खुलखिलाने लगा. एंड टीमथी, वन ऑफ द फैमिली मेंबर, वन ऑफ द किड्स नेम टीमथी, ही बिगेन टू डांस. वो नाचना शुरू किया जब उसने as soon as he heard that his father fell into the pond, he began to dance and sheer delight. और वो इस घटना को वो नाच कर, है ना, by dancing he was showing his delightness to others. Give me the camera quick, oh quick, he crawlings out of the duckweed cliff. तो उसी समय एट दैट मोमेंट द फादर वॉज ट्राइंग टू क्रॉल आउट ऑफ द पॉन्ड. यानी कि वो अपने घुटने के बल से रेंगते हुए वो पॉन्ड से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. तो बाय सीइंग दैट मोमेंट, वन ऑफ द किड्स, टीमोथी, वन ऑफ द किड्स वॉज जस्ट आस्किंग फॉर camera to click that moment, means to capture that incident as a memorable moment. एक memorable moment के लिए, उस क्षण के लिए वो उसको क्लिक करना चाहता था. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently, and the ducks all quacked as if they were deaf. And it sounded as if the old drag laughed. Oh, there wasn't nothing that did not respond when Daddy fell into the pond. Here, when the kids were trying to click that moment, at the same time, the gardeners also was watching about that moment. He was suddenly began to laugh, and he was laughed so louder that everyone heard about that incident, and other persons also along with him began to laugh. And the ducks all quacked. Where he fell into that particular pond, there was duck. There was several ducks were swimming. They were swimming into that. They were swimming in the pond. They suddenly, when they saw that the daddy fell into the pond, they just began to run away from him. Why it is so? Because they also just seems like that they were laughing. They were laughing because because it seems like that. ये देखने में वैसा ही लग रहा था कि जैसे ही डैडी, as soon as the daddy fell into the pond, बाकी जितने भी डक थे जो पानी में तैर रहे थे वो सारे डक भागने लगे, इधर उधर भागने लगे. दे दैट मीन्स इससे ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है, इट प्रिटेंड, इट सीम्स लाइक दैट दे वर showing their delightness, they were showing their delightness and enjoyment about when the daddy fell into the pond. जब जैसे डैडी उसमें गिरा तो अपने खुशी का वो अपने डक दिखाने लगा. तो इस प्रकार का ये दृश्य, द साइट्स, इट वाज सीम्स लाइक दैट, इस प्रकार से वो दिखाई दे रहा था. तो दैट्स वाई उस समय कोई भी इंजॉयमेंट नहीं हो रहा था. इट वॉज सो बोर्ड, एवरीवन वर बोर्ड, इवन द डक्स वर ऑल्सो बोर्ड. व्हेन द इंसिडेंट टुक प्लेस लाइक दिस, all began to laugh on seeing the daddy fell down into the pond. So this is the poem of the related questions which is asked in that colorful statements. How have you ever tripped and fallen in public place? तो इसीलिए पब्लिक प्लेस में ये डैडी गिरा था और जिसके कारण से इस पोएम में इसी चीज को बताया गया है, डेपिक्टेड किया गया है, दर्शाया गया है. आई होप दैट यू अंडरस्टूड whatever I said, whatever I told you about this poem. It is just a hilarious poem, हंसाने वाला एकदम poem है. Okay, I hope that you understood, and I have homework for you all. Reference to context, page number 21. It is related with your poem, and only page number 21 is your homework. Reference to context. I hope that you understood. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.